Hey guys, welcome back to J&V Adventures. And in this vlog, we're going to the Jong Korean BBQ Buffet. It's an all-you-can-eat Korean barbecue restaurant located in Campsie, and we're going here for dinner tonight. We've been to this place before in the past before COVID struck, and the food they had was really delicious. So let's not waste any time and head on in. From the moment we reserved and got to our table, a staff member came over and started the barbecue for us, which meant it was time to bring out the meats. They had a wide selection of meats that you could pick, like beef, pork, lamb, sausage, and seafood. They also had some fruit slices, more meat, and vegetables. Here's the selection of sushi they had. And here's all the extra stuff they had, like prawn crackers, chicken wings, and french fries. We started things off with a couple of pieces of pork belly. Alongside a couple of pieces of delicious Wagyu beef. This is by far the most expensive piece of meat they had on the table, so I highly recommend that you get as much as you can, as this is a all-you-can-eat Korean barbecue. My mom got herself some grape soju. And here's the shot glass that came with it. Once we had all our meat ready, we immediately began cooking it. It should only take about a few minutes to be fully cooked. Jim got a couple of pieces of lamb for himself. My mom also got some extra stuff for herself, such as veg, fried chicken, and sushi. Going back to the barbecue, it looks like the Wagyu beef is just about ready, and I'm gonna be the first one to try it. Take a look at that deliciously prepared piece of Wagyu beef. I hope it tastes as good as it looks. That was very good. Looks like more meat has been added to the barbecue, and the ones from earlier are just about ready. We got ourselves a couple pieces of seafood for the barbecue, like the squid and the mussel. A couple of minutes later, and the seafood is just about done. I also caught a glimpse of the Wagyu beef being cooked in its own juices on the barbecue. That's how you know it's going to be really good. I'm about to try a piece of squid. It's a bit hot, so I gotta blow on it, so I don't burn my whole mouth while eating it. Dunk that thing into the salt and pepper. Give it another blow. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. And at about 30 minutes later, we wrapped up our Korean barbecue buffet dinner. But that wasn't the end though, as we saved some room for dessert. The desserts they had were ice cream, brownies, and Korean candied sweet potatoes. I got myself some ice cream with 4 brownies. And my mom got a couple of orange and watermelon slices. I immediately start grabbing a whole spoonful of ice cream. Not only does it cool your mouth down from eating all that hot and spicy Korean barbecue, but it goes so well with the chewy and delicious chocolate brownies they had. Overall, our visit to the Jong Korean BBQ buffet was plentiful, and we highly recommend that you try this place out. We will definitely be eating here again. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more J&V adventures.